How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, Ingenuity is back in the game. For more than 3 weeks, we stared at this small patch of gravel on the surface of Mars as Ingenuity regained itself. And then on the 24th of October, Ingenuity launched into the air for 23 seconds. This quick flight was a test flight from its 18 September failure, where the drone suffered a mechanical malfunction in its servos. Since Mars and Earth had a communications blackout for another 2 weeks, we had to wait until the 24th of October for this flight to take place. Luckily, everything went fine and Ingenuity had a successful flight. But just because there was a communications blackout doesn't mean things weren't still happening on the red planet. The Perseverance rover continued to explore, sending back these stunning images, even finding evidence of organic material on Mars. Fast forward to the 6th of November, Ingenuity takes its 15th flight. Ingenuity traveled for 1,333 feet for approximately 130 seconds. That's about 11.1 miles per hour. NASA has yet to mention whether there were more malfunctions in the servos of the rotary system for Ingenuity. Arguably, Ingenuity's servos would be its weakest link and the first mechanism to fail on the drone. But for now, we have to appreciate having the drone and all the images that it's able to beam back to us. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.